Greetings, Earthlings. Guess what? Aliens have landed here in town. I can't wait to meet them.
Aliens? I don't think so, Alva.
It's true, Nessa. Look.
That photo is a hoax.
What's a hoax?
It means someone changed the photo to trick you into thinking a UFO landed. They're even trying to make money by selling UFO merch.
Ooh, merch? I want some.
See, I did a reverse image search. The photo is from last summer's parade. Even the dog and cat are in the same place. They just added in the UFO.
Wow, looks real to me. I wonder if anything like this happens in Gizmo. Mo, go, Gizmo! What do you think's going on, Mo?
I can't compute that right now, but it's something exciting.
Monster! 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 Oh, hi, Alva. Hi, Mo.
Hi, Uli Bean. Did you say monster?
A gizmonster has been sighted in the Gizmo Woods.
It was terrible and awful and horrible. Also, I have a photo.
Wow!
There is no Gizmonster in my database. Perhaps I should take a closer look at that photo. Ah.
Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo. Who's in the mood for a monster?
I am!
Well then, to the Gizmonster.
Woohoo!
Oh my.
That'll be 2 Gizbits. Thank you. Monster merch! Monster merch! Who wants some monster merch?
We do!
That will be 3 Gizbits. Rollerific! Oh, how I love that sound!
I can't wait to see the Gizmonster!
Oh, I bet it won't be long now.
This is kind of boring. Monster?
Not yet.
I'm beginning to wonder if there's any monster at all.
I've got to do something to keep those ooly-foolies on the hook. Clump, there you are!
You know where I'd rather be? Watching the new episode of I'm a Troll, Get Me Out of Here. Actually, I am a troll. Do get me out of here.
Soon, the oolies might be onto us. We need to up our Gizmonster game. Launch the drone.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Glumph, do your thing.
Ooh. Dum-de-dum.
Quick, hurry!
Okay. There. Can we go now?
Soon!
We've been waiting a long time.
And no Gizmonster. We should go.
I understand, Uli Bean. Spending your Gizbits on all this merch for a monster that might not even be real would sure make me angry.
This just in. We are reporting another Gizmonster sighting.
It was more terrible and more awful and horrible-er. Also, I have an even better photo.
Again? Why does the Gizmonster only appear for Humble Bluff?
'Cause she's lucky?
I really must have a closer look at this photo.
Whoa! It's chasing me! It's chasing me!